is up, guys? Welcome back to Reactz. Today I'm going to be reacting to, we found the Texas Chainsaw Man by Jake Paul. If you've not already, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Yes, I did have braces put in. And I will be, looking at the comments, if you guys leave any. Anyway, comment down below if you've ever done this before. Let's get right into the video. And just a quick reminder, there will be a little bit of cussing in it, so please excuse our language. The cussing will be blurred out as dolphin noises, so let's get right back to it.
Oh man, welcome back to Sherlock Paul. Today we are trying to find the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
By the way, I'm not down. I'm just being dragged along because Jake Paul talks, you know?
Bro! Sherlock Paul! We have to find the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, guys. If you didn't see what happened last time on Sherlock Paul, we found a kidnapper and we saved the girl that he kidnapped. Things got lit. Previously on Sherlock Paul.
Put this window up. Put the window. It's in.
Ooh, things got lit last episode, guys. And here's what's crazy, bro. I'm freaking out. We got a DM earlier from a fan who lives in Texas, and they're like, Jake, be super careful. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre is like out here. Like, he's been kidnapping people lately. This fan was basically telling us about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre because I forgot about it. If you don't know what the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is, it's basically this guy who killed a bunch of people with a chainsaw in his house in Texas, and they made a movie about it.
It's a very scary movie.
Check it. Oh my God!
Why are we doing this?
I don't know, Sherlock Paul. We are going to find this guy. He's
Honestly, that was really scary.
still on the loose. They made a movie about it. I did some of my own research here on this handy dandy laptop.
Oh, look at that research.
Handy.
That's a lot of research right there.
Handy.
For sure.
And I found out that all of his kidnappings take place 10 minutes from where we are right now. What's creepier about this whole entire thing is that all of his kidnappings have taken place on stormy nights. This is why I think that this could actually happen.
Yo,
like,
it actually is
it is storming, right? It is a stormy night. Yo! But I figured since we are in Texas, we're on tour. Get your tour tickets now. Team10official.com. Get your tour tickets. I figured I wanted to solve as much mysteries and crimes as possible while on the road.
I'm down, bro. I'm here for you.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Let's get it.
We got a backpack of supplies.
What are you guys doing? What are you doing?
Yo, what else, man? Bro,
What are you waiting? What's good? Where were you?
we're going to find the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Yeah. That's here? What do you mean
We're in Texas.
Oh, that's right. No, hell no. Are you crazy?
What?
You're going right now?
Yeah.
Bro, you're crazy. What about tour, bro? What if he gets you? I can take over the tour, I guess. You can't go. Why are you doing that?
Come on, we're going to the park
Come with
right
us,
now.
dude. We need backup, dude.
We have a knife,
He tries to
bro.
get us. Wait, you're going to the... We have a knife and duct tape. We're ready.
I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. I just had to take some pain medicine for my lower jaw. I was feeling some pain.
He only comes out on stormy nights. It's stormy at the
Stop.
night.
Ready?
Yeah, well, let's go. We're going.
All right, let's go. I'm coming with.
Have you heard about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
Texas.
The massacre?
No, the movie, the one that's based off the movie.
No.
You haven't heard of it?
Probably I saw it, but I'm bad on the title.
You know that there's a murderer who lives like 10 minutes from here.
A murder.
Yeah. Okay, so the guy's name is Ed Gain. The murderer's name is Ed Gain. He's committed over 30 murders. Like, The police weren't able to prove that it was him, though.
I'm glad he's not my neighbor.
He's 10 minutes away from here. He kind of is your neighbor.
Oh boy.
And he eats his victims, puts them in refrigerators. He likes to target younger victims in their 20s, college kids.
I saw some documentary 1980 something, but I don't know if it's in picture or not.
Is this it?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're here.
It's like pitch dark.
All right, guys. So the park is like big. I don't know if you can see, but it's like this whole area. It's so creepy, dude.
Yo, like I'm legit really scared. Bro, I don't know. Oh,
Don't do that. Hey, should we turn our lights off so that we look like normal people?
Yeah, I guess we're trying to get. Should we turn our lights off?
Or that way he'll see us.
I'm telling you one thing, I'm running, bro. If I see it, I'm like running.
What?
By that dumpster.
There's a light?
Bro, it's so late. There's nobody. There's no anybody's out here right now.
I'm not walking behind. Bro, I swear I saw a light shine back there. Yo, keep on the lookout, bro. Everyone's gotta keep their eyes open.
Yo, guys, I'm freaking out right now. I don't know if I can do this right now. I
That's
don't
what
want.
I'm saying, bro. You really think he's out here?
Nah,
Can't
bro.
take all
Like,
4 of us.
What? On the real? I just saw a white thing run across. On the real right now, bro. On the real right now. I'm not vlog. On the real. I saw this white figure move, and I'm not even with you right now. And I'm not in this park right now.
Chet,
I'm not. This is off vlog. I'm not messing with you guys right now. I saw a white shadow run across. I'm not joking right now, Jake. Where the are we, bro?
What do you mean? Let's go look at it. Let's
No.
go investigate.
I'm legit on next level. I'm not doing it, bro. Did you see what I just saw? Like, I'm telling you, bro. I'm not. Why the hell am I out here right now? This is the dumbest. Bro, why do we do this? Why are we here right now? Bro, I want to go home, man. I'm over this, bro. I didn't see it. You don't go places where people have died. So you see, like, this is Texas. This is old, like,
Bro, it
was a white shadow, and it ran across.
Yeah, bro.
And it wasn't the train. It wasn't anything else. I saw it, and I'm done with it, bro.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about.
Bro,
We need to keep our eyes peeled.
No, I would never go there. And now I see little white. I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm done with it.
I don't. This is why we came, though.
If you want to see some Jake, if you're all in this supernatural bull, walk over there by yourself, bro. Yo, stop. What the hell is that? What the stop. That's a I told you. What the Turn your light off. Turn your light off. Turn your light off. Shh. Yo, there's a chainsaw. Why are you here? This is why we came in. It's off. There's no more noise. Shh. What do you mean, bro? Where the going? Stop. I'm not doing this anymore, bro. Stop, dude. Stop, bro. Stop. Shut the up. Shh. He's right here. When shit goes flying from my wrist, I think I see it.
I think I see him. Shh. Just act natural, bro. Act natural. He kidnaps natural people, bro.
Probably already sees her.
He's got something in his hand. Bro, what the f are you doing?
Oh my god, bro, what is that? Oh my god.
What?
Look, that's blood. What the f is that? Is that blood? Oh my god. Is that like...
Bro, that's a lot of blood.
Shh, shh, shh. Shh, shh. Bro, what? Oh my god, he's gonna get down. Get down. He's right there.
Sir?
Oh my god. Why did he die? Should we follow him? He's right there. Yes. He's gonna go kill someone. He's gonna kill someone. We have to stop him. Get down. Get down. He's right here. I think he's looking at us. I need to see if it's him.
Well, I'm afraid that's all the time that I have. We're about to leave, go pick up my sister. Like I said in the comments below, comment down below if you ever done anything like this. Love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Damn it.